Welcome to Patra, a leading tech-enabled insurance processing provider leveraging cutting-edge technology and delivering premier customer experiences across the industry. Patra's core values, honesty, integrity, and respect, are embedded in every aspect of our company culture and define how we operate across the globe. With over 5,000 employees, we believe that creating an environment where our employees are happy, safe, and valued empowers our Patra family to best support each other, our partners, and customers. We are innovative. We are collaborative. We are Patra. Learn what it's like to work in our Philippines region and why we are recognized as one of the top employers of choice across our industry.
Patra offers exciting in-office and remote career opportunities. Whether you're working in our dedicated office space in Eastwood City or your home office, you'll find yourself surrounded by energetic and collaborative team members, all committed to supporting one another and delivering exceptional customer experiences. With a hybrid workforce, we make it easy for employees to set up at home. And for those in the office, we make it easy to love your workspace.
Here in the Philippines Regional Office, employees experience contemporary and comfortable workspaces, up-to-date technology, and a modern facility that inspires innovation and collaboration. As part of Eastwood City, the office is surrounded by a wide range of shops, restaurants, and the vibrant city life.
At Patra, we take pride in the work we do and we value the relationships we build with our team. This allows us to show up every day feeling welcomed, supported, and a part of a great community. From holidays, birthdays, festivals, and achievements, we love to celebrate together. Through virtual parties, games, and rewards, we are committed to creating meaningful and fun team experiences.
Patra fosters a workplace culture invested in employee success. Whether remote or in the office, we promote a work-life balance, creating opportunities for personal and professional development, and offer competitive salaries and benefits packages. Through ongoing learning and leadership training, we create pathways for career advancement and internal promotion opportunities, and supporting our employees in reaching their fullest potential. Are you ready to explore a career with Patra? Be a part of a dynamic and innovative company. Check us out at www.patracorp.com. Your dream job is waiting for you.